So here we have Michael doing some nice slow eccentric RDLs. The reason I have Michael doing this is because Michael had an ACL tear in his right leg, which means he got a bit of his hamstring removed for a hamstring graft and put into his ACL. This means Michael has very tight hamstrings. There's a lot of pain in his hamstring and typically doesn't like to do too much legs. But this exercise here is really good for trying to loosen up his hamstrings, trying to stretch them out as much as they can, and gives him a lot of relief when he does them. So this could be something you could do if you do have tight hamstrings or have any sort of issue with your knees. Great exercise for loosening up your legs.